the question is A vowel or consonant? Yes. Is I vowel or consonant? Good job. So now, vowel. If there are two vowels putting together, we say the first letter. The first letter. So what is the first letter? A. AI sound is A. เข้าใจไหม If two vowels are putting together, we say the first letter as the sound. What letter is that? I. And what letter is that? Is I vowel or consonant? How about this one? Number E. E. Vowel ใช่ไหม Okay. So two vowels are putting together. We say the first letter. The first letter. So what is the sound of IE? I. เข้าใจไหม Sound of IE is What is the sound of AI? A. AI is A. IE. What is the sound of IE? What is the sound of UE? What is the sound of OE? What is the sound of EA? What is the sound of EE? Good job. So P-A-I-N. So teacher will make the sound. There are three sounds. P-A. Pain. I-C-E. ฟังนะ Eyes. Okay. แล้วก็ T-E-A. T เนาะ E T เข้าใจไหมแล้วก็ B O O K B O book เข้าใจไหม